like, you know, on my helmet. It's just hard to believe. Like I can even record like what? Like, it's actually crazy. I can like, this is just like amazing in every way possible. And if my brother's watching this, thank you so much, man. Thank you. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one. Now that was a good one. It's funny how like a year ago, I was talking to my brother after he got into his motorcycle accident. I wanna get a GoPro and ride a bike and, like, you know, make videos. And 1 year later, I'm on a bike with a helmet and a GoPro on it. Like, it's just crazy. I wonder if I'll loop out again. I looped out right here last time. Oh. Oh my goodness. That was high. Oh, these brakes aren't good enough. What the hell? Oh, I'm actually so hungry right now. I'm starving. Oh, my butt. This seat hurts way too much. I still can't believe it. Huger announcement than the huge announcement from last time. I have a freaking GoPro. And I just did an insane wheelie. But the GoPro turned off. I don't know if it's still recording. So, yeah. I'm gonna do one more good wheelie and I'm gonna end the video because I'm hungry, like really hungry right now. Oh no, I can't count that. That one was good, but I don't want to count it. No, that one sucked. That was a good one. You know what? 5 good wheelies. So 1 good wheelie. No. 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 Oh. Forgot that this is the front brake and not the rear brake. No. So I was at 1 or 2. I'm just gonna say 1, 2. Oh. No. 3. Oh. Four. Oh. Oh. 5. I think I'll just leave it there. Anyways, my dad's calling me, and I gotta go, guys. Peace out. See you in the next one with 4K 60 FPS. So yeah, peace out. How do you turn this